How to see Wi-Fi password on Android without QR code Samsung. So if you use a Samsung phone and you want to see your saved or connected Wi-Fi password on your Samsung phone without QR or QR code, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first thing is go ahead and open the settings app. Then scroll down, locate and click on connections. Then after that, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you should see it like this. And if you are not connected, just go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. Then click on the three dots at top right. Locate and click on advanced settings. Then come down here, you should see manage network disabled. Now to enable manage network, come here and turn on Wi-Fi. Click on the three dots again. Click on advanced settings. Locate and click on manage networks. Then here, you should see all saved Wi-Fi network password on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Click on the Wi-Fi host password you want to reveal. So just go ahead, click on it. Then click on the revealing button. Type in your PIN or password or pattern. And then click on continue. And I should say the password under security. So you can repeat this on all other saved password under managed networks. However, if you want to see save password on a Wi-Fi network you are connected to, click on this settings icon on the Wi-Fi. And then you should see the password. Click on the revealing button. Type in your PIN, password or pattern and click on continue. And you should see the password like this, and then you're good. So that is exactly how to see Wi-Fi password on Android without QR code Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.